Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing punch. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. So here I have some carrots and also some okra. And the first thing that you want to do, you always want to ensure that you wash your fruits and your vegetables before you consume them. Alright? Then what you can do, you can always go ahead and scrape your carrots, or you can always go ahead and peel them. But I find scraping more effective and you save a lot on your carrot when you scrape, alright? So that's exactly what I did. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and just chop up these in some desired sizes that my blender can manage. Now, if your blender cannot manage large chunks of food, what I suggest that you do, you just go ahead and just chop them up a little bit smaller. All right, remember guys, all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get them at your local supermarket or grocery store. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. Alright, so now it's time to go ahead and blend. As you can see, I have my blender and everything is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add the carrots and the okra to my blender, and I'm also going to add some water to this. You don't want to add too much water because you don't want your punch to be too watery. Alright, and then you can always go in and add your cinnamon powder. You can always add your mixed spice, just a little bit of mixed spice. You can always go in and add your nutmeg and all of that goodness, including your vanilla flavoring. All right, and what you can do after that, you go ahead and blend. Now you want to extract all of that juice from your carrot and also from the okra. You want to make sure that it blend out nice. You don't want to leave anything behind, and if necessary, you guys can always go ahead and add some more water to this. All right, so if you're blending and you realize that it needs a little bit more water, you can always go ahead and do so. All right, also, if you guys want to add any more like carrot or any more of the okra, remember you can always go ahead and do so as well. As I always say to you guys, be creative and just be you in the kitchen. All right, please ensure that you have a large bowl near and your strainer, and you can always have a spoon nearby. All right, so this is what it looks like, guys. As you can see, we're not leaving anything behind. We want everything. All right, and this is nicely blended. All right, so now I'm gonna get my large container and also my strainer, and as you can see, I have my spoon also, and then we're just gonna go ahead and just pour out some of that goodness in our strainer, and then we're just gonna use our spoon to just assist us to get out all of that juice. And as you can see, it is looking rich and nice, not watery. We don't want any watered down punch around here. We want nice good punch around here. So once we're finished straining, I will go ahead and show you guys what it looks like and also the consistency. All right, and then we're going to go ahead and add the rest of the ingredients to this amazing punch, and then we're going to serve it up and show you guys the final product. All right, stay tuned guys. It was really easy, really simple, and it was delicious. So this is it, guys. So remember guys that you should always strain at least 2 times. All right, you want to get rid of any of the pulps or anything that you know not supposed to be in your juice. So as you can see, I went ahead and add 1 Guinness. You guys don't necessarily have to add the Guinness. You can always go ahead and add Dragon Stout, or you can probably add a Malta. All right, and to sweeten, we're going to go in and add our condensed milk. And please bear in mind that they do have other condensed milk on the market, you can always go ahead and just use whichever one you can afford, or whichever one you guys prefer. All right, so this is it. So as I said earlier, we are going to strain again, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product of this amazing punch. All right, guys, remember not to make your punch watery. All right, we don't want any watered down punch around here. All right, so this is amazing, and as you can see, the consistency is just rich and nice. All right, so here you have it, guys, the final product of our amazing punch. So we are just gonna serve this up ice cold. So we're just gonna get our mason jar and add some ice to our mason jar and just pour out some of this amazing punch, and that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Remember to turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you tomorrow. Bye.